how to change Facebook profile picture. You can click right here on your three lines and then click right here onto your name. Now, once you're in here, you can see this camera icon just beside in here of your profile picture. Click on that. And then in here, you can choose your profile picture. You can also import from Instagram if you want. So for example, let's click on this, choose profile picture. And then you can see in here, camera roll, photos of you, or in your tag, suggested photos that you have uploaded, and also the uploaded pictures that you have already on your actual Facebook account, as well as your albums. We have in here our profile picture history, as well as cover photos from in here. So you have the options right here for a lot. So you just choose which one you want. For example, let's choose a camera roll. And then let's use this as our profile picture. Now from in here, you can just put in here a description, share this update, crop it, and once you're done, just head over and click on save in order to save these changes and change your profile picture. So that's how you change Facebook profile picture. Hope we helped.